excited are we about the new Support Breathe shower mist, Yas?
We are so excited. I feel like we are very famous for bath and shower products, and we haven't had anything like this before. I think it's amazing how it just transforms your daily routine.
And it transforms your bathroom into a spa, doesn't it?
I know, it's
you
so
spray
strong.
a couple of spritz of it in the shower before you go in, and then that mixture of pine and eucalyptus and lavender and
So beautiful.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning.
And you only need a little bit, right? Like
Very,
a tiny
very
amount
little.
goes a really long way.
It's 100% essential oil.
I know.
So it is really special, and I had a little cheeky sneak preview of it.
Oh.
I was training at a spa in Denmark a few weeks ago, and we know that Denmark, they're very famous for their saunas and steam rooms. And this particular hotel had many different saunas and steam rooms. And with the permission, of course, of the spa manager, I tried using it in every single one of them.
Really?
And it was a fantastic result. I could breathe better. It smelled amazing in the room for like several hours afterwards, so it lasted a while.
It must have elevated everything a lot because of the heat, of course, as well.
Absolutely,
So-
those volatile molecules of
Wow.
inhaling them in. You feel very good to boost your immune system as well, like especially around like cold and flu seasons. Really, really good use for that.
Yeah, it's
But
amazing.
So get ready to turn your bathroom into a spa with this new product.
Launches in the new year.